Hi, this is Mabel's Tables, and I am doing a collab with Honor of the Grace Life DIY. And the name of the collab is Cozy Corner or Vignette. Decorate a cozy corner or a vignette. And it's to be done every fourth Monday of the month at 7 p.m. She has some great co-hosts, and they are Jmom Creations, Design with Emma, DIY with Aria, Aurea, Buckeye Girls Wreath and Things, the Aria, Aria Lifestyle, Penny's Lifestyle Living, At Home with Lisa, me, Mabel's Tables, and Deborah Cabassa Home Living. Now, let me tell you a little about them as I go around and let you see my vignette. I decided to make a vignette, and this is what I did. Now, let me tell you about Deborah Cabassa. Now, Deborah Cabassa, oh man, she is so good. You got to go over and check her out and take a look at her little service dog, Apollo. He is so cute and so darling. Now, Deborah can make some good cookies, honey. I saw her make those cookies and those tablescapes, and she moved to another apartment, and she is really fixing it up. I see how she's decorating at her doorway, decorating her coffee table. She is really doing it up in that new home. And then you have Penny's Lifestyle Living. She's our little evangelist. She teaches the Word of God. She also do cleaning, and she do tablescapes and little cooking as well. Oh man, these ladies got it going on. And then we got Buckeye Girls Wreath and Things. Oh man, she is so good. I like Melissa. She makes me smile every time I look at her because she's always doing something silly, and I love that. But you need to go over and check her out for that Mardi Gras tablescape and that Mardi Gras decor. It was so beautiful. Yes, it was. So you need to go and check that out on her. And then the Aria Lifestyle, Aria. You need to go check her out. I love that minimalist tablescape that she did. She's always doing beautiful tablescapes, and I just love them. And DIY with Aria, Aria. It's Aurea, Aria, Aria. Aurea. Now, she did a bang up job for her Christmas decor. It was out of this world. Her countertop, she set a beautiful countertop as well. And then Design with Emma. Emma did those polar bears for Christmas, and I tell you that she knocked it out the water. And she always does beautiful tablescapes and decor. I love her office. Let me tell you, I'm just getting stuck with words. And J Mom's creations. Oh my word, she is so good. Good. Let me tell you, she do her stuff as well. Her tablescapes, the little cooking, little vacation things. She is so good with her stuff as well. And Lisa, y'all know Lisa knows she can tear down them tablescapes. Yes, she can. And doing all kind of little things. I just love Lisa. So once again, we got Honor of the Grace Life, J-Mom Creations, Design with Emma, DIY with Aurea, and the Aria, Aria Lifestyle, Mabel's Tables, which is me, Buckeye Girls Wreath and Things, Penny's Lifestyle Living, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Design with Emma. Lisa. I just love that name. I got to quit saying it. But anyway, this is what I did on my vignette. These are my towels that I hauled from City Trend. I just love these little towels. Just look at that. That is so cute. So I put one here. I put my 4 cakes here. I have my cups, black and white cups there. And I have my little moo which is a kettle right here. And her little daughter, I call it a little girl because she got the little flowers around her neck. Look at her mouth all open. That's where you pour the cream out. But this time I put flowers in there instead. And here's another faux cake right here. And then this is a DIY of mine. It's a covered pickle jar that I use a 1/4 pound to cover it with. So this is my vignette. I hope you like my vignette, and I hope you go on over and check all these ladies out too. And let me tell you something, don't be stingy with your thumbs. You got 2 of them. Put one of them up on each one of those videos. You got 2 thumbs. And then after you thumb them up, hit the subscribe button. It's not going to hurt anything because you hit the subscribe button. I have subscribed to everybody and hit my thumbs up. Go ahead on and do that. It's free. Your thumb is the only thing your thumb gonna get for free by thumbing it up on those videos. And that subscribe is free too. Nothing gonna happen to you because you hit the subscribe button. Help them out. Help a brother and a sister out. Help them out. We need your input. We want all your input, and it's all free. All free. Y'all, this world belongs to God. Don't care what we say or how we do. This is God's world. And y'all better pay attention. It was freezing in Las Vegas, and in Southern California, they had snow and freezing weather. Pay attention, y'all. Let you know that this is God's world, and He is totally in charge. Whatever He want to do and whenever He want to do it, He can do it. Please pray for someone else besides yourself, and know that God is just totally in charge. If you can't see that, something wrong. This is Mabel's Table saying, please go over the playlist, go to each channel, thumb it up, hit the subscribe button, and you will be glad that you did, because I tell you, this is a group of beautiful, beautiful content creators. Mabel's Table saying, adieu.